Today, I'm going to teach you how to change your home address in your Gmail account. Keeping your address current is important for location-based services, personalized content, and overall account security. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to mail.google.com. This will take you directly to the Google account homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your login credentials to access your account. Make sure you're using the correct account if you manage multiple Gmail addresses. Once you're signed in, look to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see your profile icon. Click on it, and a pop-up window will appear with several options. From this menu, select Manage your Google account. This is your central hub for controlling all aspects of your Google profile and privacy settings. After clicking that, you'll be directed to your account overview page. On the left sidebar, you'll see several tabs, including Home, Personal Info, Data, and Privacy and Security. Click on Personal Info. This section contains all the details Google has stored about you, from your name and birthday to contact information and addresses. Now scroll down through this section until you locate the Addresses area. Here, Google stores different addresses you might have saved, including home, work, or other locations. Click on Home to edit your home address specifically. This will open up the address field where your current information is stored. In the address field that appears, delete your old address completely and type in your new home address. As you type, Google may offer suggestions from its database of verified addresses. If your new address appears in the drop-down menu, you can select it to ensure accuracy and proper formatting. This helps Google services recognize and use your address correctly. Once you've entered or selected your new address, click Save to update your home address. Depending on your account's security settings, you might be prompted to complete additional verification steps, such as confirming your identity through a security code sent to your phone or backup email. Complete these steps if they appear. After saving, it's a good idea to refresh your Google account or Gmail page to ensure the changes have been applied across all services. Your home address in your Google account, which is linked with Gmail, is now updated and will be reflected across Google's ecosystem. Thanks for watching.